What a ride. It has been quite a season. I began to wonder in March if we were going to make it, quite honestly. What we relied on was both a sense that God wanted us to continue and a trust in each other. About a month ago, it's been a long time, we just saw pictures of the building, and I found myself being teary. And it's not teary about a building, but it's teary about being with each other.
And while the pandemic doesn't allow us to be in that beloved red brick building, it has allowed us to go online, and that's put us in front of so many new faces and so many exciting new places.
Won't give up, won't give in. Take everything we have and let the new begin.
The challenge for us has always been, how do we choose whatever vehicle we have for this to be a transformative experience for you as a student and for us, but for the purpose of transforming other relationships.
With beauty to our right, with beauty to our left, with beauty all around us. We journey to a holy place indeed.
We believe this is the moment that God has called us to. We want to invite you to come and partner with us into a future beyond.